Hi everyone. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you always take decision spontaneously or logically by thinking over it? Most of the decisions that you take, just imagine how are you taking it? Are you thinking too much about it logically, rationally, or just by using your subconscious mind? Let me tell you a fact that our brain is the most complex organ. If you want to understand this brain, you need to understand the neurons. Your brain is made up of billions of neurons, right? And it is just like a universe. As universe consists of a lot of galaxies, a lot of stars, the same way your brain consists of a lot of synapses, a lot of neural networks. So all these neural networks stores lots and lots and lots of information in your mind, right? Now the question is, our brain is simple? No, it's very complex. The first part of the brain is the reptilian brain. It is a very, very old brain. It just understands only pain and pleasure. Most of the decisions that we take are based on, is it helping me, or is it giving me pleasure, or is it something which is actually giving me pain? So based on this pain and pleasure, we take lots of decisions. Am I right, my dear friends? That means most of the decisions are under the control of reptilian brain, and this reptilian brain do not even understand what is right or what is wrong. It just understand it is pleasure for me or pain for me. And the second is, even if you tell I don't want to do this, your reptilian brain do not accept it. It just does it. For example, don't think of a black monkey eating an apple. What have you done just now? You have just thought about the black monkey eating an apple. So this is how your reptilian brain will work. So lots and lots of decisions in our life are actually under the control of this reptilian brain, or you can say subconscious mind. It do not understand logic, it do not think rationally, it just take decision whatever it comes to it, right? The next comes is your emotional brain. Now this emotional brain is developed in mammals. If you see, reptiles are the first animals who came, and then mammals have come, right? Now these mammals have emotions. If you think about the animals like, dog or cat, and all these mammals, even human being, we have a lot of emotions. And most of the decisions that we take are not based on rational or logical thinking, but they are based on emotions. And emotionally we take lots of decisions. Am I right, my dear friends? So sometimes it's okay, but lots of times emotionally we feel down, and we feel that my gut feeling is that I can't do this. So this emotional brain is controlling us. So dear friends, this reptilian brain and emotional brain are something which are primitive, but as evolution happened, the logical brain had come. Logical brain is all about rational thinking. It thinks throughout, and it has got the memories. It thinks rationally, and it takes the decision. So logical brain will take decision in 2 minutes, in 2 seconds, whereas your reptilian brain, it do not even take 2 milliseconds. So how fast is your reptilian brain? Suddenly animal comes and you just move out, because it is your reptilian brain, it is protecting you. But if you are under the control of reptilian brain and emotional brain, most of the times you will take those decisions which are not good for you in a long run. So as the brain start developing, the first is reptilian, and then emotional, and then logical brain had come, and the last one is imagination brain. If you see the great scientists, if you see the greatest authors, the people, the best businessmen, they always use their imagination brain. They imagine the things. They actually make imagination brain so strong that they use it 100%, and they use it for their purpose. So your reptilian brain is something like a watchman, it's like a gatekeeper. And if gatekeeper allows, then only this visualization can happen, this imaginary brain can work. So dear friends, it requires some techniques, it requires some tools to understand how you can achieve the greatest things in your life, how you can achieve the success in your life. So I'm coming up with a workshop where I'll be teaching you how your subconscious mind will work basically. So there are lots of activities, there are lots of exercise, there are lots of things that I'm going to share with you every day from morning, which is 5:30. It starts at 5:30 and ends at around 6:45, because this is a time where your subconscious mind is very, very, very active. So once you learn how to program your subconscious mind, how you can use this reptilian brain for your work, then it becomes, you get into autopilot mode and you will start doing things automatically, and your success is just next to you. So you can use this power of subconscious mind to develop your relationship, to develop your career, and to develop your health, and in every aspect of your life. So just don't wait and take the opportunity and come into this workshop where you will be learning how to control and how to use the power of subconscious mind. So I am waiting for this course, and I want to see you in the course. Thank you so much.